Healthy, homemade juice in seconds. Juice a variety of fruits and vegetables. Juicer is easy to assemble with extra large pulp bin. Juice cup not included. Extra large 3-inch feed chute fits whole fruits and vegetables. Fit a whole apple, a peeled orange or a handful of kale. Less precutting, and more continuous juicing for fresh fruit juice, vegetable juice, or nutrient-packed celery juice. Easy to clean, removable parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Powerful electric motor for maximum juice. 800 W of power can turn a dense beet into smooth juice in seconds. 3-year limited from the best-selling juice extractor brand, includes access to dedicated USA customer support team of Hamilton Beach employees. Looking for an ideal juice drink that's fresh, free of preservatives and tastes 10 times better than store-bought juices? Take the plunge and go with the Big Mouth Juice Extractor from Hamilton Beach. It packs all the punch you would expect from a Hamilton Beach juice extractor. Reliable efficiency, high speed and no-fuss cleanup. It is recommended that oranges, pineapples, melons and mangoes be peeled before placing in the unit to minimize impact on juice flavor. Also, all fruits with pits and large seeds, such as nectarines, peaches, apricots, plums and cherries must be pitted before juicing. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. Love it. Juicers are so expensive, so I was hesitant to purchase one. Came across this which was a great value and the reviews were awesome, so I said, let's give it a go. Plus, Hamilton Beach is a good and trustworthy brand. Very pleased with my purchase. It's fast, easy to use and clean. Making my celery juicing a breeze. Sorry for Harry Potter in the photo. My daughter calls my celery juice polyjuice potion lol.